Okay, we move on to speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a person who contributes to the society.
We live in a world which is full of people with different nature and attitude. Some enjoy, find joy in achieving success, and some whereas find bliss in helping others. Today I would talk about such a person. He's my father. He's role model for me. He is a very kind person, and he's always help other peoples and many people of his area. Knowing them since he's my father and I know him very well. The best thing about him that. He's not afraid of fighting for right cause, and he for right cause, and even if he has make a lot of sacrifices, and when I talk about him, I feel very motivated, and I should also give back same side.
Okay, 48 seconds only. So you need to speak for minimum 1 minute. And the way you are talking, it sounds like you are recalling something from your memory. Try to think and talk. Focus your topic, and you need to produce ideas as you are speaking. Let's go on to speaking part 3. Do people nowadays help others more than in the past?
I believe that many people have more means to help other peoples anywhere they live because of technology, and that was not in the past.
Okay, part 3 answers are not satisfactory. There isn't any proper content, proper information. So you need to focus part 3 especially, and part 2, the way you are speaking, you need to focus that as well, right? Thank you.